Welcome to a new exciting tutorial. Today I will show you single-click preparing passport photo package. Those who have not installed this software yet, for them, the download link of the software is given in the description box. So first we will open the photo. I will come to Crop Passport tab and click on the desired template button. Just wait a bit and the package will be ready. The design templates are provided in PSD format in the folder of the software. You can resize them as you want. While printing the passport photo, we make many passport photos on the same page. To speed up this task better, PhotoKaya software has copy and paste options. For this we will open many images. And to open the PSD of the desired template, I will use this quick button. Now after selecting a photo, first we will click on copy button here. And then select a place on the template with the move tool. Click on any of the past buttons here. Again copy and paste in the same process. Then you can understand how much in a short period of time we can prepare these packages for printing. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. You can check out more videos on photo adjustments on our channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.